The next question is equally important. Does giving higher discounts reduce our profit, or is there another relationship hidden in the data? To answer that, let's move on to scatter plot and correlation analysis. So far, we've understood our data and compared different parts of the business. Now, let's answer another important business question. Does giving higher discounts affect our profit margin? To answer questions like this, we'll use a scatter plot. I'll select the scatter plot. For the x-axis, I'll choose profit margin. For the y-axis, I'll choose discount percentage. Under grouping analysis, I'll select mean and click apply. Now we can see the relationship between these two business metrics. A scatter plot helps us understand how one numerical value changes with another. Each point represents the average discount percentage for a particular profit margin. The horizontal axis shows profit margin. The vertical axis shows discount percentage. The orange line represents the overall trend. Now let's look at the pattern. Notice that the trend line moves downward from left to right. This indicates a negative relationship between discount percentage and profit margin. In simple terms, as the average discount increases, the average profit margin generally decreases. This makes perfect business sense. When a business offers larger discounts, it usually earns less profit on each sale. That doesn't mean discounts are always a bad idea. Sometimes discounts help attract new customers, increase sales volume, clear old inventory, or support seasonal promotions. However, if discounts become too high, they can reduce the overall profitability of the business. For example, a clothing store may offer discounts just during a festival to increase customer traffic. An electronics retailer may provide heavy discounts to clear old stock before launching a new product. These strategies may increase sales, but businesses must always monitor how those discounts affect their profit margins. This is exactly why data analytics is so valuable. Instead of making decisions based on assumptions, businesses use data to understand the impact of their pricing strategies. If discounts are reducing profit too much, the pricing strategy may need to be revised. On the other hand, if a small discount increases sales while maintaining healthy profit margins, it can be a smart business decision. So, what have we learned? A scatter plot helps us understand the relationship between two numerical variables. In this analysis, we've discovered a clear negative relationship between discount percentage and profit margin. As discounts increase, profit margins generally decrease. Insights like these help businesses make better pricing, marketing, and sales decisions. So far, we've understood our data, identified unusual transactions, compared business performance, and discovered relationships between important business metrics. The next question is, how is our business changing over time? Let's answer that using trend analysis.